Hello all, I want to show you over here how to find I total using R total in parallel problems. So remember the circuit diagram, you guys saw it during one of our Kahoots, and I want to show you how to find I total not by using Kirchhoff's current law, but by using Ohm's law. And we're going to do it exactly the same way we actually did this in series circuit. Well, the total current that we're going to have in our circuit is just going to be voltage of the battery over R total. So let me type up this formula. So now notice, guys, in our series circuit, it was just the current. That's because we only had one current. But when you have a parallel circuit, it's the total current. So it's I total equals voltage of the battery over R total. Okay, well, I can easily find R total over here. Remember, my formula for R total is going to be 1 over R total equals 1 over R1 and it's 1 over plus 1 over R2. So I'm going to go ahead and find that. So that's going to be, I'm going to be looking for 1 over R total first. Very simple. 1 over R total equals to 1 over 1000. I'm converting my R1 to ohms plus 1 over 3000. Now that is going to be 0.001 plus 0.0003, and this is a periodic number. It's going to go 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 forever. So I'm just going to cut it off at 3. So that comes out to 0.0013. Let me stretch it out a little so that it's there we go. Much better. Alright, and now I just need to find R total over here. So I'm gonna go R total equals to 1 divided by the number that I just got. So it's gonna be equals to 1 over 0.0013. 3, not 2. Okay, there we go. And equals to, and let's actually see what that equals to because we need a calculator for that. So 1 over 0.0013, and I get something like 769 ohms. Familiar number, we saw that in the Kahoot. 769 ohms. Alright, so now that I have my R total and I have my voltage of the battery, I can find the I total, all of the current that flows through my circuit. I can also find it another way. I can find I1, I2, and I can add them up together and get I total. Or I can use Ohm's law and I can divide voltage of the battery by R total. So I'm going to go ahead now and do that. So I'm going to have 8 divided by 769. And let's see what that's going to be. Let me open up my calculator. 8 divided by 769. And I get 0.01. So I'm going to put it in right here, 0.01. Well, I had, let's see, I had, I think, like 104 in there. Let's do this again. Zero point zero four. Like this. Since we want 3 significant figures. Okay. And I'm going to convert this into milliamps. And that is, of course, going to be 10.4 milliamps. Now, if you will go through the Kahoot, and if you remember the answer through the Kahoot, you will remember that due to roundup errors, our final current that we got using adding I1 and I2 was actually 11 milliamps. But it's close enough, guys. It's definitely close enough. So let me show you one more time the other way to do it, right? So I total is just I1 plus I2 in this case. And I needed to, of course, find I1 and I2. Once again, I would use Ohm's law to do that. And if you remember your calculations, and you can, you'll get to verify that later on. So this is just a little preview for you that will help you further on in some of the problems in this test. Thank you.